Welcome to Falcon Excel Academy. I am VJ and today I am going to teach you lecture number 42 in MS Excel. Today we will talk about cell protection. As you can see on the screen, I have added some data here in which I require students to provide their name, father's name, contact number, courses, and fee. Now, I want only the students to be able to edit these specific cells and no editing should be possible in any other cell. That means no one should be able to add a new field, nor should they be able to change the fee here. Now see, if I try to change the fee here, for example, if I change it from 2,500 to 4,500, an error appears saying that this cell is protected. But as soon as we click here, let's say I write Zahid here and then Kashif and 0321-1234567. And after that, let's select graphics here. See, editing is happening here inside these cells. If we try to write anything anywhere else, nothing will be written there. If you try to type anything inside these, like I tried to write contact here, it still doesn't let me type it. That means we only want to give permission in this area so that students can write data only in these cells and nowhere else. So today I am going to teach you this in detail. So before starting the lecture, as always, I would like to say that if you learn something from today's video, if you learn something new, please make sure to like this video because your one like can help this video reach more and more people. So let's start today's lecture here on sheet number 3 under cell protection. I have already written some data. I haven't applied any protection on it yet. Here I can write anything and make changes. But what I want is that only these specific cells should be editable and the rest of the cells should not be editable. So first you need to select all these cells, then press Ctrl+1 on the keyboard and after that click on protection. If you can't click here, then you need to right click within this selection, then click on Format Cells, and after that click on Protection. Here you need to remove the lock option like this. Now after that the selection should remain as it is. Then after that you need to go to the Review tab. After clicking on the Review tab, you need to click on Protect Sheet, and as soon as you click on Protect Sheet, this Protect Sheet dialog box will open in front of you. Here, you need to type a password. Choose a password that you can remember. Whenever you apply a password anywhere, make sure it is something you will always remember, because if you forget the password, it can create problems for you. So here, let's say I set the password as 123 and click OK. Then I typed 123 again and clicked OK. Now protection has been applied to this sheet. Now you can edit within these cells, but when you try to click here, for example, if I try to change the fee from 2,500 to 8,500, an error appears. Here, even if I try to enter a number instead of a name, it still shows an error. If I type here, let's say Yunus, you can see it gets entered easily, and I type Taher here as well. After that, for the contact number, we can enter anything like 45,678, and that's it. So in this way, we can easily edit within these cells, and we can grant permission for just a few cells so that data can be written in them, while in the rest of the cells, data cannot be entered. So this was lecture 42 of MS Excel. As always, I hope you definitely learned something new from this lecture as well. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a like. So we'll meet in the next lecture. Until then, goodbye.